80 years at the bottom of the sea. The wreckage of a German warship, the Karlsruhe, has been discovered off the coast of Norway, 8 decades after it was sunk in a World War II battle. The cruiser was first detected in 2017, just 50 feet from a subsea power cable that has been operating since 1977. It was finally identified this year from images and sonar scans of its hull and other details, like the position of the gun turrets. The 174-metre vessel was part of the German force that invaded Norway in April 1940 and met its fate after it was struck by a British submarine torpedo shortly after starting its return voyage from the southern Norwegian port of Kristiansand. The ship's crew evacuated and the vessel was finally sunk by the Germans themselves, resting upright on the seabed at a depth of 490 metres, some 13 nautical miles off the coast. Norwegian power grid operator Statnett said its subsea power cable, which connects Norway with Denmark, would have been laid further away from the wreckage if its location had been known at the time of construction.